people see charcoal as just fuel for cooking, but smart farmers see it as biochar, a natural medicine, a growth stimulant, and a powerful detoxifier for their livestock. If your animals are struggling with diarrhea, slow growth, or smelly pens, you are missing out on the cheapest supplement on the market. Today, I'll be showing you the science of feeding charcoal to livestock, why it works, and exactly how to prepare it so you don't accidentally harm your animals. Welcome to ChiJane Agritech, where we explore techniques and technologies in agriculture. If you are new to this channel, thank you for stopping by. Please like this video, share and subscribe. Charcoal doesn't provide vitamins or minerals, so why feed it to your animals? Think of charcoal as a biological sponge. Its surface is covered in millions of microscopic pores. When an animal eats it, the charcoal travels through the gut and mops up the bad things. Number one, it binds to harmful bacteria and fungal toxins like aflatoxins in spoiled feed. It reduces bloating in cattle and sheep. It helps balance the pH level in the stomach, leading to better digestion. Now here are 3 huge benefits of charcoal for your animals. Number 1, it stops diarrhea instantly. If your piglets or calves have scars, that is running stomachs, adding charcoal to their feed can stop it within 24 to 48 hours by absorbing the pathogens causing the irritation. Number 2, for faster growth. Because the gut is cleaner and healthier, the animal will absorb nutrients from its actual food much more efficiently. We already know that better absorption equals faster weight gain. Number 3 is odor control. This is for the pig and poultry farmers. If you feed charcoal, the manure smells significantly less. This is because the charcoal traps the ammonia gas inside the waste. Alternatively, you could also sprinkle crushed charcoal directly into the floor. The birds or pig will naturally peck at it, and the charcoal on the floor will absorb moisture and odors from the droppings immediately. To feed charcoal to your animals, these are important steps you should follow. Step 1. Use clean wood. Never use charcoal briquettes made from painted or chemically treated wood. Use pure wood charcoal or corn cob charcoal. Step number 2. Crush it fine. It should be a coarse powder, not dust, but not big chunks either. Number 3. The dosage is very important. Do not overfeed it. Charcoal is powerful. Aim for about 1% of the total feed volume. For example, in a 100 kg bag of feed, add 1 kg of crushed charcoal. In a 50 kg bag feed, add 0.5 gram. Just know that whatever you are feeding your animals, be it poultry, cattle, sheep, goats or pigs, make sure to use the 1% rule. However, the dosage might be slightly different in cases of actual illnesses. For diarrhea in pigs, give 1.5% of total feed 2 to 3 days during illness. If illness still continues after 3 days, then visit your vet. Because charcoal is a powerful binder, giving it too often can actually strip the animal of the vitamins and minerals they need. Now to step number 4, this one is a warning. If you are giving your animals liquid antibiotics or dewormers, stop the charcoal. Because it is a sponge, it will soak up the medicine and make it useless. Charcoal is the ultimate low-cost, high-impact tool for the African farmer. It keeps your animals healthy, your pens smelling fresh, and your profits in your pocket. If you are a poultry farmer, watch my previous video on charcoal for poultry to get every detail you need before starting. You can watch it here, or I will leave the link in the description box below. Have you ever used charcoal for your animals? What was the result? Let's talk about this in the comments. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.